If you have a business owner's policy, you most likely have loss of income coverage automatically included in your policy. Now, this coverage provides exactly what it sounds like. It covers your loss of income if you suffer a major claim that prevents you from operating out of your location, such as a fire. The insurance company is going to pay for your loss of income from the date of your claim with a small time period deductible up until the date that you're able to reopen your doors at your current location or a similar location of your choosing. So this is an important coverage that any business that is dependent upon its location needs to have. So there is an endorsement that I found that makes this loss of income coverage even better though. It is full resumption of operations. So the loss of income coverage is going to take you up until the date that you're able to reopen your doors to cover you for your loss of income. The full resumption of operations is going to take you past that for the period of time that you select. So, for example, if you had sales of $100,000 before your loss consistently every single month, that would be your target for after you reopen your doors after your claim. Now, just because you reopen your doors does not mean that all your customers are just going to automatically come flooding back to you. We would like to think that is the case as a business owner, but unfortunately, it's just not how it works. It will take you a period of time to ramp up your sales to what they were prior to your claim. So in your first month after you open, if you only had $50,000 in sales, with having that full resumption of operations endorsement, the insurance company is going to kick in the additional $50,000 to cover your loss of income. In the second month after you reopen your doors, if you had $75,000 in sales, well, the insurance company is only going to have to kick in $25,000 to get you up to your pre-claim monthly income amount of $100,000. So as you can see, this endorsement makes loss of income even better. Loss of income is great on its own, but this endorsement makes it even better. And you'd be surprised at how affordable adding this endorsement on actually is. So I was recently working on a quote for a business insurance policy, and I checked the box to add the full resumption of operations for a 60-day period. And it actually did not increase the premium at all. So I was surprised. This will obviously not be the case for all customers. It's going to depend on the type of business you're in and how much sales that you're looking to replace. But you can see the bulk of the premium is charged under the loss of income coverage. So the full resumption of operations is really generally an affordable amount to add. So you definitely want to inquire if you have this coverage, and you want to know if you don't have it, how much it costs to add it to your policy. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did and you'd like us to review your insurance and provide you with a no obligation quote, feel free to give us a call. Thanks, everybody.